Easy problem to get started. Is both. Next question is both. So I decided default. So the question says we have to take the input of a number. So int n and cin, and if n is it n% 5 means that the remainder. If 5% 5 is equals to 0, 10% 5 is equals to 0, because in each case it returns the remainder 0. So if any number is divisible by 5, it means that its remainder is equal to 0. So if n% 5 is equals to 0 and n% 11 equal to 0, it means that the number is divisible by both. That is, it is a number like 55% 5 is equals to 0 and 55% 11 is equals to 0. We have used AND condition here. It means that this condition should be fulfilled and this condition also should be fulfilled. So we have to print both. If n% 5 is equals to 0 and n% 11 is not equal to 0. So we have, it means that it is a number like 5% 5 is equals to 0, but 5% 11 is not equal to 0. 10% 5 is equals to 0, but 10% 11 is not equal to 0. So we have to print 1 here. And we have, if n% 11 is equals to 0, but n% 5 is not equal to 0. In this case also we have to print 1. So the number is like 11, 22. 22% 11 is equals to 0, but 22% 5 is not equal to 0. Only one number is divisible, so we have print 1 here. And else, if the number is not divisible by any of this, we have to print none. So let's input is our input is 50, so output should be 1. If the input is the input is 3, our output should be none. I have missed this sign here. So let's submit our code. It is successfully submitted. Thanks guys.